You guys, so as many of you guys have noticed, I have been a little MIA this week on like the DMs and on my stories, and here's why. So about a week ago, last Sunday, my brother-in-law was in a pretty bad accident and has been in the ICU all week. So we've been with family staying up there, which is why I haven't been posting a whole lot. Right now, he is in a medically induced coma with a brain injury and some other things going on, face fractures, broken jaw. Right now, we're just praying he wakes up soon because he has a family who really needs him right now. Anyways, before I completely break down in tears, I'm going to finish what I was going to say. There's like obviously a ton of bills that are piling up for her and her boys, and while we feel like the world is like totally stopped, it doesn't. So I started a GoFundMe. Even if you have an extra $1, please consider donating it to him. If you don't, y'all please just say some prayers.